Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-diving headfirst into a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds. We're talking about Moroccan street food, an incredible world of flavors, aromas, and traditions, all served up hot and fresh, right before your eyes. So, grab your virtual passport and let's get eating. First up on our journey, we have to talk about the grills, the heart and soul of Moroccan street food. Imagine the sizzling sound and the smoky aroma of charcoal. That's the sound of brochettes being cooked to perfection. These are skewers of marinated ground meat called kefta, or tender chunks of chicken or lamb. Each bite is a juicy explosion of spices. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's quintessentially Moroccan. Now, if you're near the coast, you'll be greeted by the scent of the sea. We're talking about grilled or fried sardines. These aren't just any sardines. They're often stuffed with a magical marinade called chamoula, a zesty blend of herbs, garlic, and spices. It's a fresh, flavorful bite of the ocean. Speaking of fish, you have to try the legendary sardine sandwich. Or Hout Quari, it's grilled sardines tucked into a piece of fresh Moroccan bread called kobs with a bit of salad and sauce. It's a handheld meal that's both rustic and incredibly satisfying. But Morocco isn't just about meat and fish. Let's talk about Maakouda. These are golden deep-fried potato patties. They're crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and often seasoned a hint of cumin and turmeric. You'll often find them stuffed into a sandwich, making for a cheap, hearty, and absolutely delicious snack. It's comfort food at its finest. And for the adventurous eaters, you can't miss matoui. This is slow-roasted lamb, so tender it just falls off the bone. In the markets, you'll see entire sheep roasting, and vendors will carve off pieces for you, seasoned simply with salt and cumin. It's a true spectacle and a feast for the senses. You might even see the sheep's head, which is considered a delicacy and cooked to perfection. It's a unique experience you won't forget. Another must-try is Merguez. These are spicy North African sausages, usually made from beef or lamb, packed with flavors like harissa, cumin, and fennel. They're grilled gongal, the coals, until they're sizzling and slightly charred, then often served in a baguette. The kick of spice combined with the smoky flavor is an addictive combination. Let us move on to some of the heartwarming stews and soups that are staples of the Moroccan street scene. First and foremost, Harira. This is Morocco in a bowl. It's a rich, thick soup made with tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and often small pieces of meat. It's seasoned with a beautiful blend of spices and finished with fresh herbs. It's especially popular during Ramadan to break the fast, but you can find it round. It's a hug in a mug, and it's absolutely nourishing. Then there's Bissara. This might just be my personal favorite. It's a silky, smooth puree made from dried fava beans or split peas. It's served obstaculos. drizzled generously with golden olive oil and sprinkled with cumin. It's often eaten for breakfast with a piece of fresh bread for dipping. It's a simple dish, but the depth of flavor is incredible. It's a perfect example of how Moroccan cuisine can turn humble ingredients into something truly special. You'll also see big pots of lentils or adasses and white beans, known as Loubia, bubbling away at street stalls. These are cooked in savory, spiced tomato sauces and served in small bowls. They are incredibly flavorful, packed, and a fantastic budget-friendly meal. Just grab a piece of bread and get dipping. Now, let's talk about the incredible world of Moroccan salads and sides, which are often served warm. Zaalouk is a smoky, delicious dip made from cooked eggplant and tomatoes, seasoned with garlic, paprika, and cumin. It's perfect bread. Similarly, toktuka is a cooked salad of sweet roasted bell peppers and tomatoes, seasoned beautifully. These dishes are so much more than just side dishes. They are flavor powerhouses. Let's switch gears to the unsung hero of every Moroccan meal, the bread. And in Morocco, bread is life. You absolutely have to try Msemen. It's a square, flaky, layered flatbread that's pat. It can be eaten savory, stuffed with spiced onions and meat, or sweet, drizzled with honey and butter. It's chewy, crispy, and utterly addictive. Then there's the Moroccan donut, the Sfenj. This isn't your typical donut. It's a light, yeasted, and slightly chewy ring of dough, deep-fried until it's golden and crispy. It's often sold in the morning, strung together on a piece of palm frond. You can eat it or sprinkled with sugar. It's a simple, joyful treat. And you can't miss Baghrir, the famous thousand-hole pancake. It's a spongy semolina pancake with a unique texture, covered in tiny holes on one side. These holes are perfect for soaking up the traditional topping, a warm syrup of melted butter and honey. It's light, fluffy, and just melts in your mouth. Of course, we have to talk about the sweets. Chebakia is a work of art. It's a flower-shaped pastry that's fried, soaked in honey, and sprinkled with sesame seeds. It's chewy, fragrant, with orange blossom water, and incredibly sweet. It's a special treat, especially during Ramadan. Another classic is corns de gazelle, or gazelle horns. These delicate crescent-shaped pastries are filled with a fragrant almond paste and are a true Moroccan delicacy. And what do you wash all this down with? Well, you can't walk 10 feet without seeing a cart piled high with oranges. Freshly squeezed orange juice is a street-side classic. It's pure, sweet, and unglaublich refreshing. For something creamier, try an avocado and date smoothie. It's a thick, rich, and surprisingly delicious concoction, often blended with milk and nuts. It's like a dessert and a drink all in one. But the ultimate Moroccan drink, the symbol of hospitality, is Moroccan mint tea. It's more than just a drink, it's a ceremony. Strong green tea is brewed with a generous amount of fresh mint leaves and a lot of sugar. Vendors pour it from a height to create a frothy head. Accepting a glass of tea is a sign of friendship. It's sweet, fragrant, and the perfect way to end any meal or just to take a break during a busy day of exploring. From savory grilled meats and hearty stews to flaky pastries and sweet, refreshing drinks, Moroccan street food is a universe of flavor waiting to be discovered. It's food made with passion, tradition, and the freshest ingredients. It's a reflection of the country's rich history and generous spirit. So, the next time you have a chance to visit Morocco, or even if you find a Moroccan restaurant in your city, be adventurous. Try the Bissara for breakfast, grab a Maakouda sandwich for lunch, and finish your day with a cup of sweet mint tea. I promise you, it's an experience you won't forget. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious journey through the streets of Morocco. Which one of these dishes would you want to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.